Good morning from Team Wordaholics. At Wordaholics, we have been trying since 2015 to help students across India and the globe master difficult vocabulary words, which are very important from the competition point of view, like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, SSC, Banking, UPSC, and all those exams which require English as a important section of their particular format. Now, we have with the tradition of helping students prepare words, and we have been sending 5 words on a daily basis. The words that we're going to discuss today are obsequious, officious, ominous, onerous, and opulent. Now, out of these 5 words, the words that we'll be discussing today are officious, ominous, and opulent. The rest of the words will be leaving it for the time being for the advanced course. Now, obsequious will be leaving it for the time being because this is a word meant for the advanced course. We'll be moving on to the next word, which is officious. So, what does officious mean? Officious means interfering, very strict, oppressive, dictatorial, bossy kind of an environment. Officious environment is a bossy kind of an environment. Hindi would be टांग अड़ाने वाला जो nature होता है, that is basically officious nature. Antonym would be gracious and polite. Somebody who is not bossy is basically gracious and polite. Pronunciation is officious, just as the word is. Now, how do I remember this word for a longer time? Look at the particular visual that we have provided with this particular uh, word. Imagine Office, the famous serial where Musaddi Lal, the protagonist, the hero of the particular show, was harassed by interfering bossy officers, dictatorial officers, very strict and oppressive officers. So officious is a particular environment where things are very interfering, where people keep on interfering with your work. So how do we use this sentence in the sentences? Overly officious attitude, officious supervisors. Sentence 1. After standing in the long queue at Big Bazaar, when Giri reached the exit gate, the officious clerk noticed mistake on the invoice. Sentence 2. In 2012, India's bureaucracy was rated worst in Asia. Ruled by officious, incompetent, and corrupt permit Raj, businesses required cash or connections to prosper. Sentence 3. PM expressed dissatisfaction about delays in responding to public grievances as well as the officious behavior of our officers. Sentence 4. Known to be officious and keen on protocol, rule book, otherwise, Tia's father agreed to send her for excursion. Now, the next word that we're going to discuss today is ominous. The meaning of ominous is basically something that is threatening, something that is dark, unfavorable, suggestive of evil. Hindi would be amangal, ashubh. Antonym is auspicious. Something that is opposite of amangal or ashubh is something which is auspicious in nature, something that is good for everyone. Pronunciation is ominous, ominous. How do we remember this word for a long time? Look at the particular visual we have provided. Ominous Friday the 13th, which is generally related with ghosts and scary things. And mnemonic is O minus. If something is O minus, something is in the negative, O minus, negative sense. It obviously means something which is dark, threatening, unfavorable, which is kind of evil in nature. So O minus, when all things are going in the minus, a negative environment, unfavorable, evil exists over there. That is how we'll remember this word for a longer time. Usage would be ominous warning, ominous situation. Sentence 1. Udta Punjab starts with an ominous message. Punjab would become the next Mexico if the youth of the state continue to be addicted to drugs. Sentence 2. In many cultures, Friday the 13th is considered a far more ominous than any other day of the year. Sentence 3. In Fan, a star fan relationship develops into an ominous cat and mouse chase. Shah Rukh's movie. Sentence 4. The openers at one time accounted for unbeaten 166 runs and things looked ominous for Dhoni and his men. This word will be again leaving it for the time being for the advanced course. You can, if you're interested in this word and the previous word that we are discussing, obsequious, if you're interested in this word, you can pause the video and have a look at this word and the related mnemonics and how do we remember this word for a longer time. Now, the last word that we're going to deal today is opulent. Opulent basically means something which is costly, expensive, grand, rich, lavish. Hindi would be dhani. Opulent is something who is dhani, daulatmand, bahut paise wala. Antonym is penniless and poor. Pronunciation is opulent, opulent. So how do we remember this word for a longer time? What is the shortcut that Wordaholics provides for remembering these kind of words through mnemonics? Imagine the phones which are sold by Oppo. Oppo as a brand. Imagine the phones which are sold by Oppo. They are costly phones. Imagine that they are costly phones, and therefore only the rich and wealthy can afford to buy these kind of phones. So opulent can be related to costly phones which can be bought only by opulent people. Oppo's phones can be bought only by opulent people because they are very costly in nature. So what are the various usages? Usages: opulent 5-star hotels, opulent lifestyle. Sentence 1: Ranveer Singh will start work for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's this opulent drama Padmavati soon. Sentence 2: When you think of the royals in India, you picture Maharajas on elephants, opulent palaces, wearing jewels. Sentence 3: The posters released for Bahubali, the beginning were opulent. Question is, can Bahubali 2 cross the 1000 crore mark? Sentence 4: There is no region in the world that creates bridal wear as luxurious, opulent, and extravagant as India. With that word, we have reached to the end of the presentation for today. The 5 words we have completed for today. And as we keep on saying at Wordaholics, keep sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more. Now, if you have a friend, a relative, a colleague, or anybody who you think would be interested in learning words the way we do, you can ask them to SMS or WhatsApp ADT to 9546307452 to receive these Power Words daily for free. Also, we are live on Amazing Kindle. This particular book, How to Speak Fluent English and Impress People in 30 Days, is live on Amazing Kindle. The link is provided below over here. And also in the description, I'm providing some free resources linked to some ebooks that are free in nature that have been compiled by me, and some other words, the entire repository of 1200 words. We have been discussing 5 words today we have discussed. The entire repository is available on the link. The link is provided in the description. You can go to the description and get all these free resources for yourself. That's all for today from Wordaholics. Thank you so much.